Hello, my name is Arif and I'm the founder and principal of Zero Inch Interiors Ltd. Today I'm excited to share with you one of our recent restaurant interior design proposal. It's named Raspberry, located in Gulshan. When we were approached to design this restaurant, our main focus was not just to create a visually appealing space, but to design an experience, a journey, and a lasting memory. The entrance of the restaurant sets the tone for this remarkable experience. We purposefully created a bumpy pathway at the restaurant entrance. It helps the people anticipate a different experience as they approach. It gives the feeling of entering a whole new world. When they arrive, they will be greeted by a welcoming water fountain and raspberry sculpture, enhancing the unique atmosphere we have crafted. As you enter the lobby, you will notice the carved ceiling and carefully placed lighting on the floor, creating a sense of rhythm and movement throughout the restaurant. These dynamic elements adds the anticipation of what lies ahead. As you step into the main dining area, you will immediately feel a sense of relaxation and intimacy. We have intentionally designed this space to provide a tranquil and inviting ambience, which is perfect for our target customer, foreigner, businessmen, and sophisticated individuals. To achieve a sophisticated and elegant aesthetics, we carefully choose a minimal color palette and used natural materials like wood, marble, and fabric. By using pure colors, we let the texture, material, and detail to shine, resulting in a refined and timeless design. Welcome to the Raspberry Interior Design, where the fine Italian cuisine meets exceptional design and hospitality.